Ready to turn your WhatsApp number into a customer engagement powerhouse? First, ensure your WhatsApp number successfully connected to your Aisensy account. You should see it displayed prominently on your dashboard. This is your central hub for all WhatsApp communication. Now, let's set up automated responses. Navigate to the automated responses section within your Aisensy settings. Here, you can create custom replies for frequently asked questions or set up welcome messages for new contacts. Click on Create New to build your first automation. Assign a keyword that will trigger the response. For example, if someone sends pricing, the system will automatically reply with your pricing details. Next, let's explore broadcast messaging. This powerful feature allows you to send updates and announcements to a large audience directly through WhatsApp. Simply go to the broadcast messaging section, create a new broadcast, select your recipient list, and craft your message. You can even schedule broadcasts for optimal delivery times. Personalization is key to successful customer engagement. Aisensy allows you to insert dynamic variables, like customer names, into your messages, creating a more tailored and engaging experience. Notice how a simple hi customer name instantly makes the interaction feel more personal. This can significantly improve response rates and customer satisfaction. By leveraging automated responses, broadcast messaging, and personalized interactions, you can transform your Aisensy-connected WhatsApp number into a vital tool for building stronger customer relationships. Start maximizing your WhatsApp engagement today. Visit our website or follow us on social media for more tips and tutorials.